If your engine starts running rough and you get a code for a failing manifold pressure sensor, this video will show you how to change them. There are 2 of them. Begin by lifting off the engine cover, red arrow. It just pulls straight up and off. There are 2 MPS sensors. One is located on the top of the left cylinder bank, red arrow, after the throttle body. The other is attached to the charge air or Y pipe behind the foam cover and before the throttle body, red arrow. To access the forward one, simply lift the foam piece up and out. It's just a friction fit. This sensor is held in place with a T30 torque. Use a T30 and remove the single screw. The one on the manifold after the throttle body is held in place with a single T20 torque screw, red arrow. There is a small O-ring on the sensor. If you are removing it for other work, always check the condition of the O-ring. Both electrical connections have a small tab that you will pull out to release and separate. When replacing either sensor, always put a very light coat of Porsche synthetic gasket lubricant on the O-ring, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.